Hi, it's Mr. Miller showing you the second OAA activity that you can do this week. This is a bit of a challenge, a bit of a problem-solving activity, and it's called middle of the map. So we've got a grid, there's 25 squares, and in the middle of that grid is the centre, that's a blacked out on my grid here, and we've got to try and get to that. To get to that, we've got to go through every other square. So north is going up, south will be moving down, then we've got east, which would be moving across that way. Just make sure you're pointing the right way with the mirrored camera, which is the right, and west would be to the left. Okay. Now the first map, the warm-up map, has got the start on it, and when we move a direction, we've got an exercise to go with that direction. So north is a burpee, east is a press up, south is a star jump, and west we're going to do a squat. Okay, and I'll show you one of each of those. So first up, it says 1S. So to move 1S, we have to do one star jump. So we've done one star jump, and then we move one south on our grid, and it says 1S again, one south again. So we've got to move one south again. So that would be one star jump, done that one. Then it says 2 east, okay, which is 2 to the right. And east is a press up. So you can either do these on your knees or normally. So we're going to do 2 of them. So it's 1, 2. I've moved 2 east now. And on my grid, it says 1 east. So I've got to do another press up. So over we go. 1 press up. So we're on the 1 east square, and we've moved 1 east. And now it says 2 west. Okay, and west is a squat. Keeping your back nice and straight. We're going to go down and back up. Okay, down and back up. So I've done 2 squats. And the next square says 3N, 3 north, because I've moved 2 west, which is left. So now I'm at 3 north. Okay, north being a burpee. Oh no. So we're going to be from stood up, down, legs kicked back, back in, and a little jump up if you can. That's 1, 2, 3. So I go 3 north, so upwards on my grid. Okay, and we keep following that until eventually we end up in the middle. When we get to the middle, we should have completed all the other squares. Now the next map is the tougher one, because first you need to work out where the start is. So to do this, you could either do it trial and error and keep trying different squares and see if it eventually gets you to the middle. Might take a while, unless you get lucky and pick the right one first. Or we could work backwards. So we could see which squares can get us to that black square in the middle, okay? So I can see, oh, there's only one there. And then I could work my way backwards from the outside to find where the start would be, and then start the activity. Okay, have a go with that one. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.